discussed extensively on high blood pressure, the aloe vera solution and the herbal solution. In today's video, we'll be discussing on diabetes, how to use said leaf solution to treat diabetes, and this is important for all diabetes patients to watch. So kindly follow every step that I'll be teaching out in this video appropriately, exhibit them and do them as expected of you so that you can get the expected result. So let's drive straight to step number 1. Get a good quantity of said leaf with botanical name Ocmum graysum. Let's dive straight to step number 2. Get a good quantity of bitter leaf. Step number 3. Get 3 bulbs of garlic onion. Step number 4. Get 2 pieces of fresh ginger. Step number 5. After you must have gotten all of these things, cook everything together in a pot with clean water. Cook until the color of the water changes to green. If you don't want to use the cooking method, you can also pound everything together until the green water is gotten. And this leads us to step number 6. Use a clean filter to extract the green water that was gotten after properly cooked. If you followed the pounding method, you have to squeeze properly so that you can get a good quantity of liquid. Then use filter to separate the liquid from every other substances. Step number 7. After you must have gotten the liquid, store properly in a clean bottle or a covered container and refrigerate in order to avoid spoilage. The dosage: take 1 or a half glass daily, both morning and night, for complete 2 weeks. Kindly check the description of this video below. There are vital informations that you can't afford to miss there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video to as many as possible, drop a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.